Well, that's weird.
Imagine now this one in this summer.
In a good rainy season, we must come back. This is going to be
Spectacular.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you get, when you're here, you actually, it's all
Oh, yeah.
underwater and it's
Yeah.
fully sprayed.
You might
Yeah.
not be able to cross, you know.
Yeah.
Hello there. Hello. Okay, you ready? Hello, hello. Hello.